Yo, I'm back. It's your guy Nate with my daily two stock picks and crypto update. I know I disappeared for 2 days. I'm back on the construction site, so my time has become limited, but I won't leave y'all behind. Just bear with me. So, now today's video will be a little bit longer, closer to 10, 12 minutes, but with reason. I won't be that guy who starts recording 30-minute videos. I still like to keep them pretty short because I know the attention span of some people. They don't want to watch a 30-minute video. I don't want to hour-long video. I'm one of those people. Like, give it to me in 10, 15 minutes max. Sometimes, even faster than that. I like to get this information and run with it. Obviously, I do my own research, but I don't want to watch or listen to, because I usually just put my headphones in when I'm listening to stuff and don't really get to watch the video anyways. But I don't want to just listen to someone talk for a long time. So I try to keep these videos short. So yeah, today's video will be a little bit longer, but with reason. I've gotten so much better with the notes. I've gotten better with the intro, as you can see. And I'm letting you know what's going on with these stock picks. So let's get to it. But of course, I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Investing carries risks. Talk to a licensed financial advisor in your area. Always do your own research. This is simply my research. Past performance is not indicative of future results. I am not trying to sell you anything. And that's like the main thing. Because I know a lot of these investment guys or YouTubers who talk investing, they want you to buy their program and they want you, and I'm not knocking them, by all means, get your money. But I don't want to sell you guys anything. Even if this thing like skyrockets for me and it goes somewhere, I don't want to sell you anything. I just want to give the information because I learn from watching these people, but I want to give the game for free. I want to give the game for free. I want everybody to win. I don't want to be the only one win. I don't want you to send me money to give you this information. I understand, and that's cool. It's a lesson. You're paying for a lesson, but I want to be able to give you guys free game. That's big to me. So let's get into it. First stock of the two is AST Spacemobile. AST Spacemobile, ticker symbol ASTS. For those who don't know what AST Spacemobile is, they engage in building a broadband cellular network in space to operate directly with standard, unmodified mobile devices based on an extensive IP and patent portfolio. It focuses on providing mobile broadband services with global coverage to all end users without the need to purchase specific special equipment. The company was founded by Evelyn on May 31st, 2017. So this is a newer company, hasn't been around too long, but let's dig in. As of today, they are up 8.14%, sitting at $57.30. They opened the market at $53.17. They have a 52-week high of $102.79 and a 52-week low of $17.50. They grew $85.29 on the year, but an actual year to date, due to the volatility, is $36, which is still 170% on a year. So that's huge growth. This stock has had major volatility, but 16 analyst ratings say 41.7% to buy, 41.6% to hold, and 16.7% to sell. So with that, it's just a stock you kind of accept this volatility. You hold till you reach what you believe is its peak. I personally believe this stock could get close to $70 in 2026. Again, do your own research. I believe it can get up to $70. I own AST Spacemobile. I believe in it, but I understand it's going to be a process. I may have to hold on to it for quite some time to see the returns that I want to see, but I believe in it. Okay, next stock number 2. This one here, I'm sure you all have heard about it or know about it. Many may already have it in the portfolio, and I recommend everyone load up on this one. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, well, it's SOFI, ticker symbol SOFI, SOFI Technology. So I've been hearing about SOFI all year. I've heard a lot of people say to buy. I listen to a lot of different YouTubers. They've all talked about SOFI. I I also follow a lot of different people on X, and they often talk about SoFi. So, just to get into SoFi, so you all know what's going on, SoFi Technologies is a financial service platform which engages in the provision of student loan refinancing options to the private student loan market. It operates through the following segments: lending, technology platform, and financial services. The lending segment offers personal loans, student loans, home loan products, and related servicing activities. The technology platform segment focuses on financial services, technology products, and solutions revenue. Sorry about that. The financial services segment includes the SoFi Money product, SoFi Invest product, SoFi Credit Card product, SoFi Relay Personal Finance Management product, and other financial services such as lead generation and content for the other financial services institutions. A little off today. I'm tired. Bear with me. All right. So SoFi, they're up 1.67% today. Doesn't sound like much, but it's a stock you load up on with shares. What you watch them grow, 1.67, it's still 48 cents. Not a lot of money, but I also don't want to always throw out stocks that cost a lot of money. So some of these stocks may take some time. So with that being said, SoFi is sitting at $29.66. I like to believe many can afford it. And if you can't, throw a couple bucks in there here and there when you get the chance. It opened the market at $29.39. It has a 52-week high of $32.73 and a 52-week low of $80.60. It grew $24.13 on a year. The current year to date is $14.66. That's 97%. So they've grown, significantly, 97%. 25 analysts have a rating, say 28% to buy, 48% to hold, 24% to sell. Understand with SoFi, the high is $32.73. It's currently at $29.68. It's still nearing the high right now, like $3 off from its high, and it's November. So I'm just saying, I personally, in 2026, I could see it surpassing the high. I could see it reaching $35. So if I'm you guys, that's a stock, I would load up on it before it's too late, because I think that thing will skyrocket. I don't see it going to reach some crazy, crazy high in 2026. I wouldn't throw out like $80 or anything like that, but who knows? That's why I play it safe and I say $35. Considering that, the low is $8.60, it's quite a bit. All right. And exciting news. Let's get to it. Crypto. I'm sure if you have some crypto, you've been on it like a hawk. XRP is up 6.84% today, sitting at $2.15. Last video, it was near $2, and that was 2 days ago. So if you hold XRP, I'm sure you're excited to see that it's going back up. And I hope you all bought it at that dip when it was at $2. I think it got as low as to $1.88. So, I was telling you guys then, you were buying it at a discount. Even Ethereum. Ethereum was up 7.43% today, back to $3,000, $3,020 to be exact. It looks as if it's on the way to continue to climb. And again, I'm somebody who I'm hit or miss with Ethereum. A lot of people think it's the second coming of Bitcoin. I would just rather buy Bitcoin. That's just me, because it's proven. And again, and I understand people say, oh, well, it's already proven. It may have already peaked. I get that. But for me, maybe that's XRP. All right. And finally, Bitcoin is up 5.68% today, nearing 92,000. Currently at 91,950 and growing. Considering a week ago it was near $82,000, this may be the return of $100,000 near soon. A lot of green in the stock market and crypto space today. Money is flowing. That means we're winning. And with that being said, get out there, do your own research. Don't be afraid to invest. It does carry risk, but the millionaires of the future, they're investing. Peace.